So the objective today is very simple. We are going to take this hot tub and turn it into the ultimate gaming experience with this LG Signature W Series 77-inch OLED TV. Yes, my friends, we are creating the world's first gaming hot tub here in Delta, British Columbia. Thermaltake's A500 case has a modern minimalist design with brushed aluminum panels and dual hinge swing tempered glass doors. Check it out today at the link below.
The idea is that it's right there, you're in your hot tub, you got your drinks, and you got your banging TV right there.
I'm having kind of an anxiety moment here. So the box for the TV is actually not that much smaller, is just about up to this line on my hoodie pocket here. Yeah, okay.
That's perfect.
Yeah, well, I don't know if I'd describe it as perfect, because like you're sitting in here.
Oh, no, but you're,
it's probably
it's
fine.
good, actually, I think.
So I'm going to the outside of the post. What are we looking at here?
107 inches.
So we need 10-foot 2x4s then.
Yeah. How
3
tall is
2x4s, 1 piece of plywood.
Well, hold up. It's 8 feet in between the two.
And some shelf supplies.
So
why don't we get another piece of plywood and some L brackets and let's see if we can shelf it up.
Okay, and maybe a couple more 2x4s.
I don't think we'll need...
You love 2x4s.
Yeah, what do you love?
Why should I have extra 2x4s?
If you love 2x4s so much, why don't you marry them?
I will.
Oh, we're back in grade 3, baby!
Whoa! Oh, there's another box! It's boxception!
That's fine, that's good, that's good.
Why are you there? Why are you
Dennis.
under the box, Dennis? Like, just, I don't understand the things you do. Let's go shopping! I only know to do this because my dad showed me. He's like, yeah, you gotta check for the, you know, how warped it is. It's pretty warped, but we don't really care. What are you doing? Who carries a 2x4 like that?
That looks pretty nice.
Yeah, that's actually not that bad.
Okay, cool.
That's not a thing. No. So we got our haul here. We got 4 pieces of wood in this shape. We got two pieces of wood that are shaped more kind of like this. We've got 1 piece of wood that's shaped real flat, and then some screws. Because we're men, and brackets.
I dropped it.
Man brackets. I'm a supervisor.
Okay, watch out.
Dennis, why? Look at this, he's got wood.
Jake, get him!
Why would you hold it there? Good job,
So
Jakku.
people know that your
Yeah,
wood is really long.
yeah.
So are we mounting it to the back or the front?
Oh, it's got to be the back, otherwise the rain's
Yeah.
just gonna
Okay, good.
rain on that there
Just wanted to make sure.
expensive TV.
Some safety glasses at least?
107 what, Dennis?
Oh, there you go there, bud. Oh, perfect.
107 half what, Dennis?
We know. Oh, come on, Dennis! It's 107 inches. Should we double check his
100.
measurement?
It's 107.
Should we double check?
107 half.
Okay, let's double. Give me.
Can we just...
Hold that side. Let's do it.
You have to trust me.
No, I don't.
I actually don't at all. It's actually under 107. That's right on the 107.
Hold it tight.
Oh my
What?
gosh.
I was holding it.
Oh, maybe it's longer this side.
No, but
What?
it's literally square.
Okay, Les, this is not my profession, okay?
I know. I swear, he's really good at something. I'm a little short. It's not that it matters, it's just that you were right. And none of us want to admit it.
107.5.
Wait, didn't we already?
107 half.
You have to trust me.
No, I don't.
I actually don't at all.
So I was right.
Yeah, we're a little short. All right, so that there's the top of our ingenious hot tub gaming mount TV thing. How many do you need? Jake. It's overkill.
Oh, stop.
I heard the crack sound.
It's Boeing.
It's fine.
What are you doing?
Can you let go?
Just straight up, let go.
Yeah, just, Dennis, let go. So like this piece of wood is flat on my side, Brandon, and it's pretty not flat on that side. That's actually like fine now.
That's a lot better than it was. Dennis, you moved the piece of wood.
Let's do some cool measuring of the TV to find out how big this thing actually even needs to be.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's measure this TV.
Oh, I was thinking more like, so, you need your hot tub cleaned?
68, 68.
68, you sure it's 68? You sure it's not
69.
69? Like, why don't we just lie it down on the top of the hot tub?
That seems smart. Why? What are you
What are
doing?
you doing? Get it out of the way. What? Dennis, get it out of the way.
Jake.
So here's the piece that actually goes on the piece of plywood. 68 by 39.
Whoa, dude.
There we go there, bud.
Okay, Dennis, you can move your hand now. There we go. There
Okay.
she blows.
Nice.
Heck yeah, there, buds.
We mounted a piece of plywood. It's very
I
flexible.
don't think it's actually glass.
No, it's like actually very flexible. Like, check this out. See? It's super flexible, honestly. Can you help me center it? Well, it looks crooked because the deck's crooked.
Yeah,
so
I know.
Yeah.
Because it's supposed to be.
I mean, we probably should have just made it even with the deck.
Yeah.
Do you want me to get started on the lap board or?
Yeah. Oh, well, that's why we have so many people here. We're supposed to be waterproofing the Xbox controllers. So we're going to basically use a combination of brush on conformal coating and spray on conformal coating. I'm probably just gonna end up like going ham with the spray, quite frankly. I mean, obviously we're not making this controller waterproof. Like, I wouldn't recommend when we're done just like throwing it in the water or anything like that, but it will be quite water resistant to the point where I don't know if the steam would end up being a problem or not. Look, I'm not saying you guys suck at this, but I will say that James and I did not have nearly this much difficulty.
Wait. Oh, I got my side in. Wait. Oh. Oh, yeah. She's on there. Is that on there?
I don't think so. I don't trust it, honestly. This thing's so
Wait,
expensive.
what? No, like...
It could be in, and I'll just sit here for the rest of the day and hold it, because I'm scared.
That's sick.
This is sick.
Yeah,
So sick.
that's pretty cool.
Colton, relax.
No.
Okay.
And then what I need to do is make little masking pieces for anything that I don't want to get conformal coating on it. So we don't have a whole lot of time to do multiple coats and let them dry. So we're going pretty ham here. So here you can see I've taped over my battery contacts, my connectors between the PCBs, as well as all my button contact pads here. So let's hope this one also works. If on skin, wash with plenty of water. Cool, I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so to say I put it on a little heavy would be a gross understatement. It's like gooped all over this chip. Hopefully that's okay. It's definitely drying. It is possible that this controller is completely FUBAR, gentlemen. I didn't realize that there were pores in this tape, and so everything I taped off might have conformal coating on it.
They're pretty crap.
Well, no, the thing is that they're not that long. I think we need a longer bracket.
That's what I said.
Oh, no.
As you guys can see, the brackets for the shelves are actually a little bit too long. So we need to put the second 2x4 in here, and then we should be able to get the second screw in, and it shouldn't be so wibble wobbly. All is good.
I tried to goof off the area, and it actually started to take some of the green color off the top of the PCB here, so that's interesting. This is unpleasant. Okay, Dennis, don't let him do it.
Oh, that's mint.
Oh, nice.
How's it look?
It looks good, dude.
This is the moment when we find out if OLEDs work in sub-zero weather.
Direct sunlight.
Yeah.
Sub-zero outside.
Glary, it's okay.
Yeah, a little bit of glare.
Oh.
Is it?
Do we have power?
Whoa.
Are there batteries in this remote?
Oh,
Wait, is this a button? That's just...
What kind of monster does that?
Oh my god.
Hey, I think I'm on. Oh, okay, this one works. This one works. This one doesn't. This one doesn't. This one does. This one does. That one does. That one does. It's crazy, like it's so flat, like it basically looks like it's just like in the wood. Like, do you guys notice that?
Yeah.
Like, it's just like kind of trippy. Like, you're just like, oh, is there? Yeah, okay, there's a seam there, but not by much.
It's pretty nuts.
This is crazy. It's actually looking shockingly good given that the sun is just like on the screen. All right, there we go. We devised a plan. We recruited Agent Janice from accounting, equipped her with $1,500 US per system, and gave her a simple
This is some outdoor theater stuff right here.
It actually sounds not bad, like especially if you get down on the level of the TV. I think we actually got the height just right. Like when we're sitting in here, it's gonna be perfect. You guys ready?
And you told me to measure beforehand.
We hot tubbing? Okay,
Oh,
you guys ready? Here we go.
Steamy. Ah, the smell of chemicals.
Look at that. It's almost like we measured it before we did this.
All right.
All right, I've never actually played Overcooked with a keyboard and mouse before, so here we go, you guys. You ready?
I'm too short.
Dennis, you gotta go serve it. Look at the
Put
top
on the
right.
plate.
Top right.
Dennis.
Where's top right?
Okay,
In the
no,
plate.
Put it on the plate. Put it on the plate.
Right in front of me.
wait.
You see the green guy?
More shrimps. More shrimps.
Okay, more fish. No, we don't need more shrimp.
No more shrimps. Some
Kitchen calls for exactly 0 shrimp.
Ah,
Do not
Buy one, get one free.
What are you talking about?
That's not how this
What are
works.
you even talking about? Okay, serve more shrimp.
Oh, fish.
No, shrimp.
Fish.
Jeez. Guys, this is straight up sick.
This is really sick.
Like, hot tub gaming is an underexplored, okay, concept
I got
here.
some chopped fish here, boys.
If your name is not Linus Sebastian, don't touch the rice. I'm in charge of rice.
Can we take
I am
fish?
the rice man.
I got fish. I
cut it.
Oh no! Who is red? Dennis, the whole time you kept. Both would come put fish, and then Dennis would steal the fish. What are you just trying to put seaweed on there?
I can't believe how good this looks in spite of the fact that it's not even nighttime right now. We have sun on the TV and you can barely tell.
Yeah.
Like, that's what contrast. That's
Yeah.
what like high contrast is all about, right? Like you can barely even tell where the sun's hitting it. Like, yeah, you can tell because we're not idiots, but like, why are other people doing rice? Just leave it. And Colton, how are you not on top of dishes, man?
Well, I got him here, dude. I'm just trying to help, man. Let me hear it. Do you want some rice? Let me pass this.
I can tell why. I know why Steph almost divorced you when you guys played this game, okay?
This game's
we
so
still got
confusing.
Dennis is like actively sabotaging everything.
I go to pick up my plate or put a cucumber on the plate, and Dennis just takes it and walks around.
I love it. All right.
So look, guys,
All right.
when we came into this video, we straight up were not expecting anyone to set up a hot tub TV. But now that we've done it,
It's pretty good.
It's good.
it's pretty sick.
It's good.
It's pretty sick. FreshBooks is the small business accounting software custom built for how you want to work. It's a simple way to be more productive, more organized, and to get paid faster. With FreshBooks, whether you're a freelancer or a small business owner, you can create and send professional-looking invoices in less than 30 seconds. You can set up online payments with just a couple of clicks to get paid up to 4 days faster. You can see when a client has seen your invoice to put an end to the guessing games, and you get access to FreshBooks' unbelievable support. Like, literally, you call them on the phone and someone picks up. No support tree, no return calls, nothing like that. Just friendly help when you need it. For an unrestricted 30-day free trial, just go to freshbooks.com/techtips. We're going to have that linked below and enter Linus Tech Tips in the How Did You Hear About Us section. Thanks to you guys for watching. If you disliked this video, then you can hit that button. You know, I don't blame you. This is some pretty weak chest hair I got going on here. But if you liked it, hit like, get subscribed, or maybe consider checking out where to buy the stuff we featured at the link in the video description. Also down there is our merch store, which has cool shirts like the one I used to be wearing, and our community forum, which you should totally join. Whoa, it is. It's almost like you're just at work. Yeah. And you took off your shirt like you do.
Yeah.
What are you even doing right now?
All right, stop.
Oh my
Censor
God.
that. Get that out of here.